Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to read you a book called How Big is a Blue Whale? How Big is a Blue Whale by Kurt Waldendorf. A blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. How big is it? A baby blue whale is called a calf. It weighs as much as 2 jeeps. A calf grows quickly. It drinks its mother's milk. It drinks enough milk to fill a big bathtub each day. A blue whale has a long, slender body. An adult is longer than a basketball court. A blue whale is heavy. It weighs as much as 15 school buses. A blue whale has a large mouth. It opens its mouth wide. 100 people could stand inside. Wow, that's a lot. A blue whale uses its tongue to push water out of its mouth. A blue whale's tongue weighs as much as 1 elephant. A blue whale breathes air. It has 2 nostrils on the top of its head. Each nostril is the diameter of a small car tire. Can you touch your nostrils? A blue whale's heart is the size of a small car. It beats once every 7 seconds. A blue whale uses its powerful tail to swim. The end of the tail is as wide as a soccer goal. The whale dives deep out of sight. And that's the end of the blue whale.